What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when devices are not connecting to your iPhone hotspot. A personal hotspot is an incredibly useful feature that turns your iPhone into a portable Wi-Fi hub, allowing other devices to connect to the internet through your cellular data. Sometimes though, you might run into problems where devices can't connect to your iPhone hotspot. First off, navigate to your iPhone settings. This is the app with the gear icon, typically located on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. If your hotspot is already on, but devices are struggling to connect, you'll want to turn it off momentarily. This can help refresh your network settings. An essential step here is to ensure that Maximize Compatibility is enabled. This setting lowers the Wi-Fi network's performance to increase compatibility with a broader range of devices, potentially resolving connectivity issues. Toggle it on if it wasn't already. After adjusting this setting, a restart of your iPhone is recommended to ensure all changes take effect properly and to eliminate any lingering issues with the device's network processes. To restart your iPhone, follow these steps. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Afterwards, hold the power button again until the Apple logo flashes back on. Once your iPhone has restarted and it's back up and running, head back into Settings and re-enable Personal Hotspot. Make a mental note of the Wi-Fi password or change it to something memorable if you'd like. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the frustrating issue of devices not connecting to your iPhone's hotspot. Troubleshooting this can save you a lot of time and ensure you're not left without internet connection when you need it most. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.